Hello, my tech enthusiastic friends. I'm Hitanshi and I'm from High Tech Controls Private Limited, Vadodara. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox and discuss about some exciting features of ABB's pressure transmitter. So let's dive in and see what's inside. As you can see, this is the ABB's gauge pressure transmitter. It's a sturdy device but with a compact design. With this, you can find one 2-inch mounting plate, some nut bolts, one operating manual, and one calibration certificate. With the help of mounting plate and some nut bolts, you can mount this transmitter very easily. Now let's take a closer look of this transmitter. From the very first, I am going to tell you about its accuracy, and it is 0.06% of the calibrated span. It means this is one of the highly accurate device in the industry. By using this transmitter, you will get the exact reading of the process. It enhances the productivity and quality of the product and also improves the industrial safety. You have the option of choosing the 0.04% accuracy of this device. Now let's moving forward to its stability. And my friends, you will get surprised by hearing that the stability of this transmitter is about 10 years. Yes, it means it improves the efficiency and reduces the manpower. And you can feel the zero drifting from the measured value. This transmitter gives you the response time between 0 to 60 seconds, which is 95% faster versus a traditional solution. Now let's moving forward for its hardware part. As you can see, this is the LCD display of this transmitter and it shows the value of the pressure. This is the keypad. By using this keypad, you can do all your configuration. The outer body of this transmitter is made up from aluminium alloy. The sensing element, which is diaphragm, and it is made up from SS316. And you have the multiple options for choosing the diaphragm's material like Hastelloy, titanium, tantalum, etc. This is the lower part of this transmitter and it is called the process connection. This part of the transmitter, it is in directly contact with the process medium. This threaded connection is for the inlet for the pressure. Now let's moving forward. This threaded connection you can see is for the electrical connection. This transmitter is 2-wire and 24-volt DC powered device. This is the SS tag plate where you can find the serial number, the model number, span limits and other basic details of this transmitter. ABB is providing this transmitter in the wide range of pressure is that 160 mbar to 1050 bar. The output of this transmitter is 4 to 20 milliampere with HART enable. So this transmitter can be calibrated using HART communicator. Other optional digital outputs are also available like Modbus, Profibus, Foundation Field Bus, etc. ABB is providing other optional features within this transmitter is like vent or drain valve, through the glass keypad technology, wireless HART version and many more. For the installation, we can provide you 2-way or 3-way manifolds, tubings and fittings, snubbers and any other accessories if you want. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information, please leave a comment below or send an email on our email ID or contact on our phone number which is mentioned in the description box. I hope you will find this video very helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get updated for more such tech contents. Thank you.